Hey beauties! Today I'm going to share my secrets for achieving a flawless and long-lasting foundation look. Let's dive in. First thing, always start with a clean, moisturized face. Hydrated skin is the key to a smooth foundation application that lasts all day. Next, apply a primer to create a smooth canvas for your foundation. This step not only helps with longevity, but also fills in any fine lines or pores. Choosing the right foundation is crucial. Build your foundation in thin layers. This not only looks more natural, but also ensures a longer-lasting finish. Start with a small amount and add more if needed. To set your foundation and control shine, use a translucent setting powder. Lightly dust it over your face using a fluffy brush. Finish off your look with a setting spray. This step not only sets your makeup, but also helps it stay fresh throughout the day. And there you have it. A flawless, long-lasting foundation look. I hope you found these tips helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Until next time, stay beautiful.